Aloe vera has medicinal properties and is full of vitamins and minerals, including 7 of the 8 essential amino acids. It has anti-inflammatory effects, is an adaptogen. Natural detoxifier because of its gelatinous properties, may benefit the digestive and immune system, and is antiseptic, antibacterial and antifungal. Interestingly enough, these properties are also giving aloe vera a boost in popularity in dentistry because of its safe and effective nature. Scientists recommend that instead of buying aloe vera juice from the market, it is advisable to make your own natural and pure aloe vera juice at home. This is because the pre-made aloe vera juice may contain preservative and is not as fresh and beneficial as it should be. Therefore, you must make your own aloe vera juice at home. Ingredients: 1 large aloe vera leaf, 1 lemon, 2 cups spring water. Instructions: give the leaf a quick rinse and chop in half. Slice the skin completely off the curved side of the leaf, exposing the gooey insides. Then, working your knife back and forth, cut the aloe off the bottom of the leaf. Moving from one end to the other, cut your aloe into smaller pieces and insert into blender along with 2 cups of water and 1 lemon, juiced. Blend on medium-low for 30 to 45 seconds. Pour the aloe juice from the blender through a nut milk bag or cheesecloth to break up the sliminess of the aloe juice into a bowl with a pour spout. Bottle the aloe juice in glass containers.